Hello everybody, the Vintage Truck Woodworking is back. Going to do another video. I'm going to make a little thing here, also known as a mallet, and I like this design quite a bit. I found it online and drew it up myself on the computer. I'm going to turn this piece of maple that I got. It's 3 inch by 3 inch, and the final product of the mallet is going to be about 11 inches. So stay tuned. I'm going to turn this and show you how to make one. Thank you very much. Alright, so I got it down to a round 3 inch dowel for this maple, and now I'm going to get it down to this right here. So I have my measurements. You see I marked them on here with lines for the top of the handle, and then where the handle part starts, and then the end of it. So basically what we do now is we take our calipers and measure what the actual thickness of it is. So we do that, and then we take this down with our tool that looks like this. So let's get started and see what we get. What's up everybody? Hope you've been whipping the chicken, pestering the llama. Alright, I have my depths already cut out here on this piece of maple, and I use the awesome caliper to do that. Measure your distance from here to here, etc., and match it and go down the line. So you can see there kind of what the layout does for me. So alright folks, I am going to turn this thing down. Let's get her done, man. There you go, Vader. Let's do it. Alright folks, we got it taken down with the lathe tools quite a bit, and it looks absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to sand it down, and we'll be pretty stinking close to our final product. So let's start to get sanding.
Oh, and you can't hear me a little bit, but I'd just like you to be kind to make it. Okay. First going to start out with about 120 grit. So let's get that done, boys.
This thing turned out absolutely awesome. I think you're really going to like this project. If you end up doing one, it's very well worth it. Again, start out with like a 12-inch piece long of maple that's 3 by 3, and then just lathe it down, and you'll love it. You'll be able to whip the chicken, pester the llama, body slam the bobcat with this one tool, and you'll be really, really excited. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, and I'll see you on the next Vintage Truck Woodworking video.